everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I probably shouldn't point with the scissors. I'm James.
I feel threatened.
This is my jam. Do not listen to the voice behind the camera. No, I have another unboxing for you today. If I look like I'm wearing the same clothes as last time, it's because I am. I just wanted to do these in two separate unboxings because.
What do you mean it's 3 days later?
No, it's not. And it was I just had another unboxing with a totally different bag, so I wanted to give them each their own separate due. If you look around me, there's a clue to what bag this is.
A clue.
A clue, and it might be a bag that I kind of maybe already have a few of, and I couldn't deny this.
So
I tried.
Same bag, different flavor?
Yes,
Oh.
I tried so hard.
Uh-huh.
I tried not to do it.
Right.
I did, and this is from Fashionphile. I did all right on it. As people who are familiar with Fashionphile will know, this, as you can see, this is a true unboxing. I'm trying to open this as I chat. That Fashionphile will discount bags eventually. They can discount. Some I've seen is the first discount might be 5%. Otherwise, it's typically 10%, and then it can go down 20%, and then it can go down 30%, and then I've even seen what they say is last call, and then it's usually 31%. Like, oh my gosh, that 1% did it for me. I wasn't going to get it at 30% off, but I will at 31. But no, and I wanted this from the, time I saw it. Just trying to get it open. And,
Box one, James, nothing.
Right? And then I'm trying not to hurt myself on camera. You feel threatened. I feel threatened by my scissors. And when this bag first showed up on Fashionphile, I actually had a bag on Fashionphile on reserve that I was paying for. And so I just couldn't get it. And the fact that I might already have a couple other ones of these, and by a couple I mean more than two. It's just my favorite bag, and I'd never seen it in this color before, and then with all the hype about a particular movie, it got me thinking more, and then I looked at the name of the color, and it's one of my favorite things, which I can't tell you yet. Okay, I'll tell
Was the movie Oppenheimer?
No,
Oh.
it wasn't. Close. But, okay, the name of the color is macaroon. And I don't think that's going to tell you what color it was, so I can tell you that. Okay, true, totally true unboxing from Fashionphile.
Yeah, we're 3.5 minutes in and you're finally getting to the goods.
I know. Here's the file I got. Put that down there to reveal. Bum-ba-da-dum. Oh, you don't get to see it yet because it's in a Fashionphile dust bag. Did you see it? It peeked out there a little bit.
That's what you call a tease.
It is, yeah. Oh, let's see it first. I got
Oh, boy.
another mulberry tote. And this is in the color macaroon. It's a pinky color. But the Barbie movie, I'm sorry, it's influencing me. It just is. This is kind of like an orangey pink. And then look at the inside. It's glorious. It is just like this pinky red color inside. Oh, I just love this. So, might be familiar with these bags because I might just so happen to have
You're going to need a whole shelf for them.
hot pink and the purple. And this is the one that I had on layaway or reserve, whatever, on Fashionphile before. But then this color, it's so different. It's pink and it's orange and it's, oh, it's just glorious. It's glorious. So, yeah, this is the bag. These are just like those. They open up with the one slip pocket, and like he already showed you, the glorious color, this kind of reddish pink suede interior, except for the pocket is leather. Right? Nope, I lied, it's suede. And yeah, just comes with it zips up, and actually,
where's the strap?
there's no strap. Where's my strap? Maybe it didn't come with a strap. Okay, I guess it didn't come with a strap. I did not notice that. Not like it would matter. I have plenty of dress up your purse straps that I showed in my last 2 videos ago. So, yeah, I am so excited about this. So, again, this is, I want to say it's called, I think it's the Bayswater Zipped Tote. You think I would know the name of it after having a few, but apparently I don't. And I just know it's all good. So yeah, that is my unboxing. I would say more about it, but I've already said plenty about it. The Celine Nano totes were always my favorite until I got these. I love the Celines, but they're just a hair too small, and these are a little bigger, and so I like them a little better. So yeah, this is my newest little baby. Thought I'd just show you that. If you like this, please consider hitting the like button. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I put out videos twice a week, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, which I am coming up on, I am doing a big giveaway. I will try to link that video here on. We'll see if I can do it. And by we, I mean my editor, my son, can put the video that goes over my my giveaway here. I will also list the giveaway items down in the description box below. You cannot sign up or whatever for the giveaway as of yet. I'm waiting till I hit 1,000 subscribers. Then I will tell you how to get involved in the giveaway if you want to. Also, at 1,000 subscribers, the man behind the camera will make an appearance. So a lot of people are excited about that, which is really fun and neat. And he's nodding with me. And you can find me over on Instagram. I'm there at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And please consider leaving a comment. I absolutely love interacting with everybody in the comments. I get to know people that way. They help me with colors. They tell me a lot of things that I'm not aware of or I need help with. And it is really fun to get even a bigger sense of community. I am so happy and excited about everybody that I've gotten to know so far, and can't wait to get to know more and appreciate when people share with me. I just really enjoy that. So thank you so much for being here. Until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.